Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel we learn concepts step by step in a very simple and practical way. So if you want to understand topics clearly, you're at the right place. Let's get started.
Ever wondered why Python is the most loved programming language in the world? Whether you want to build apps, games, websites, or even AI, Python is everywhere. And today, I'll show you why it's a must-learn skill for 2026 and beyond. Keycap 1. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language known for its simple syntax and readability. It is widely used in web development, data science, machine learning, automation, artificial intelligence, and game development. Python focuses on writing clean and understandable code, which makes it beginner-friendly as well as powerful for professionals. 2. Interpreted programming language. Python is an interpreted language, which means the code is executed line by the Python interpreter. There is no separate compilation step like in C or C++. Errors are shown immediately at runtime. This makes debugging easier and faster. Object-oriented programming language. Python follows the object-oriented programming OOP paradigm. In OOP, programs are built using classes and objects which represent real-world entities. Main OOP concepts in Python: class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism. High-level programming language. Python is a high-level language, meaning it is close to human language and far from machine language. Developers do not need to manage memory manually. No complex syntax like pointers or registers. Code is easy to read and write. Dynamic semantics in Python. Python uses dynamic semantics, which means variable types are decided at runtime. You do not need to declare the data type of a variable. The same variable can store different types of values at different times. Why Python is so popular? Easy to learn and use. Large standard library. Cross-platform support. Strong community. Used in modern technologies like AI, ML, and data science. Theory Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Being an interpreted language, Python executes code line by line, which makes debugging easier and development faster. It supports object-oriented programming, allowing developers to structure their programs using classes and objects, which improves code reusability and maintainability. Python is a high-level language, meaning it is easy to read and write, close to human language, and free from complex machine-level details like memory management. Additionally, Python uses dynamic semantics, where variable types are determined at runtime, allowing more flexibility and faster coding. Because of its simplicity, power, and wide range of applications, Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world.